From the dawn of humanity, we've felt the urge to create, to take the raw materials around us and shape them into something new, something beautiful, something meaningful. This is the essence of sculpting. Early humans, using rudimentary tools, carved figures from wood and bone. These weren't just decorations, they were expressions of their beliefs, their fears, their hopes. Think of the Venus of Hohlefels, a small statuette from more than 30,000 years ago, celebrating womanhood and fertility. As civilizations rose and fell, sculpting evolved. The Egyptians, masters of grandeur, carved colossal statues of their pharaohs. The Greeks, with their pursuit of perfection, gave us lifelike figures imbued with emotion. Think Michelangelo's David, a testament to human anatomy and artistic skill. Sculpting, in its various forms, became a universal language. It told stories, honored heroes, and connected us to the divine. Before we continue, if you are enjoying this video, feel free to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell to receive future updates. The history of sculpting is a journey through time, marked by groundbreaking innovations and artistic geniuses. Each era brought new techniques, new materials, new ways of seeing the world. The ancient Egyptians, masters of stone carving, used copper chisels and dolerite hammers to shape granite and basalt. Their massive sculptures, like the Sphinx, remain awe-inspiring feats of engineering and artistry. The Greeks, renowned for their mastery of bronze casting, developed the lost wax process. This technique allowed for intricate details and dynamic poses, as seen in the bronze statue of the Charioteer of Delphi. The Renaissance witnessed a rebirth of classical forms and a surge in artistic experimentation. Michelangelo's David, carved from a single block of marble, exemplified the humanist ideals of the era. From the realism of Rodin's sculptures to the abstract forms of Henry Moore, sculpting continued to evolve, reflecting the changing world around it. Today's sculptors have an arsenal of tools and techniques at their disposal, blending traditional methods with cutting-edge technology. While the fundamental principles of sculpting remain unchanged, modern tools allow for greater precision, scale, and creative freedom. Power tools like pneumatic chisels and grinders have reduced the physical labor involved in sculpting, enabling artists to work on larger pieces and with harder materials. Welding torches allow for the creation of metal sculptures with intricate designs and complex forms. New materials like resins and plastics offer a wider range of textures and finishes. Computer-aided design, or CAD software, has also made its way into the sculptor's studio. Artists can now create digital models of their sculptures, allowing for precise planning and experimentation before a chisel ever touches stone. The algorithmic artist AI in the studio. Artificial intelligence, once confined to the realm of science fiction, is now making its mark on the art world, including the ancient craft of sculpting. AI algorithms trained on vast datasets of art can now generate their own sculptures, blurring the lines between human and machine creativity. AI-powered software can assist artists in various stages of the sculpting process, from generating initial concepts to refining digital models. Some programs can even translate two-dimensional sketches into three-dimensional models, making sculpting more accessible to those without traditional training. Artists can also collaborate with AI as a creative partner, feeding the algorithms their ideas and refining the output. This collaborative approach pushes the boundaries of artistic expression, leading to novel forms and unexpected results. A creative collision. The emergence of AI in sculpting has sparked a debate about the nature of art and the role of the artist. Some view AI as a threat to human creativity, fearing that algorithms will replace the hand and eye of the master sculptor. Others embrace AI as a powerful tool, an extension of the artist's imagination. They argue that AI can liberate artists from tedious tasks, allowing them to focus on the conceptual and emotional aspects of their work. The truth, as is often the case, lies somewhere in between. AI is not here to replace artists, but to augment their abilities. The human touch, the spark of inspiration, the emotional connection between artist and creation, these remain irreplaceable. The future of sculpting likely lies in a harmonious blend of tradition and technology, where human creativity and AI's computational power combine to push the boundaries of artistic expression. The future of form, a digital renaissance? As we stand at the cusp of a new era in art and technology, it's exhilarating to imagine the future of sculpting. Will AI algorithms fueled by the data of millennia of art history unlock new forms and aesthetics? Will we see sculptures that respond to their environment, morphing and changing with the light or the presence of viewers? Perhaps we'll even transcend the physical limitations of sculpting, creating virtual sculptures experienced through augmented or virtual reality. Imagine walking through a digital museum, surrounded by sculptures that shimmer and dance before your eyes. One thing is certain: sculpting, like all art forms, will continue to evolve, reflecting the dreams and anxieties of its time. And as AI tools become more sophisticated, the possibilities for creative expression will only expand, leading us to uncharted territories of artistic exploration. The question isn't whether AI will change the face of sculpting. It's how artists will harness this new power to reshape our understanding of art, beauty, and the very nature of creativity itself. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this video, feel free to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell to receive future updates.